Andy, there's many words that come to mind when you look at a display like that. Unfortunately, none of them we can say over a public address system.
It's really difficult to talk when your jaw has hit the ground.
It's a really spirited display, but in slow motion, isn't it? It's unbelievable, really. And when you think of what that aircraft is designed to do, which is basically just take off in a straight line, go in a straight line and land somewhere else, the manoeuvrability of this thing is actually quite astounding.
Astounding indeed.
Just look at that turn.
It's very, very steep. And also very slow. Captain today is Peter Chandler, and he rang me from Toulouse around about midday to tell me what I was going to do.
Ready to display for us this afternoon, and this is the slow speed part.
Now you don't need me to tell you that, but this aircraft is
Down to around about 110,
even as low as 100 knots.
Size of that bloody thing. Look.
Peter there putting the power on, but there's almost no sound. It's absolutely incredible.
Co-pilot today, Germany, Martin Schumann.
Two flight test engineers on board, Pascal Verneau and Philippe Soucot. This is in fact the second of the test aircraft used as part of the certification process.
It's actually the fourth aircraft off the line.
And there we see Peter showing some of the unique characteristics of this aircraft. He's pulled all the way back hard on the stick, and the aircraft has said, "I'll let you go so steep, but then I'm going to stop you, because going any steeper wouldn't be safe." He's now pushed fully forward on the stick. Once again, the aircraft will allow the pilot to do so much and then say, "Do you know what, I'm not happy with that," and actually takes over to ensure the aircraft is kept safely in the middle of the envelope.
Cheers, bye-bye.
So again, Peter configuring the aircraft for his final pass. He's going to finish in exactly the same way as he started, with a low overshoot. So I was going to say, it looks like he's coming into land. That's a real fighter approach. If you were flying a Spitfire, you'd be proud of that kind of approach. But it will look like he's going to land, then at about 250 feet he will open up the throttles, power the aircraft away. What a delight it is to welcome the Airbus A380 here this afternoon.
So Peter performs his final fly past.
Can I please ask you to wave, jump up and down, show your appreciation.
What a sight. Wave now. Ladies and gentlemen, stunning. I think they like that, Andy. I think we all like that.
It's nice in this day and age that you can still do something that just knocks you out.
Bit of a showstopper, that.
It's going to be